Hello, welcome to the HR Tech. Today, I'm going to show you a useful Excel function called SUMPRODUCT. It can save you a ton of time when you are doing calculations that involve multiplying values across rows, then summing them all up. I will also show you how to use SUMPRODUCT for conditional calculations. But first, let's see how to do it manually using simple Excel formulas. Here, I have a small data set with items, quantity, and price per unit. Let's calculate the total cost for each of these items manually using simple Excel formulas. To calculate the cost of apples, click on this cell and type equals C4 times D4 and hit the enter key. So the total cost of purchasing 3 apples at $10 is $30. To get the total cost for bananas and carrots, you do not need to type the formula manually. You can just drag it down and it will give you the formulas. To get the total cost for all these items, click onto this cell and type the formula equals to sum, open bracket, select all these cells and close the bracket and hit enter. You will get $66. So how did we get $66? First, we multiply the quantity by the price per unit for each of the rows. Then we sum up the total, and that's how we get $66. So that's a few steps. This works fine for small data sets with only 3 rows of items. But what if you have hundreds and thousands of rows? That will be a lot of steps. Here's where the SUMPRODUCT comes in. SUMPRODUCT can do all that in just one single formula. Previously, I had 1 formula, 2, 3, and 4 formulas. So SUMPRODUCT, you just need to enter the formula in this one single cell. So to use SUMPRODUCT, enter the formula equals SUMPRODUCT and select this cell, comma, select this cell and close bracket and oops. Oh, I typed the wrong formula. So it's not done product, it's SUMPRODUCT, right? SUMPRODUCT, and let's hit enter. And that's it. You get the same $66 as the manual method. So SUMPRODUCT multiply the values across the rows and then sum them all up in just one step. You don't need to create this helper column. Next, you can also use SUMPRODUCT for conditional calculations. For example, if you only want to sum the apples and bananas at this cell, enter the formula equals SUMPRODUCT, open bracket, do it twice, and then select these columns, type equal, and type in the apples, close bracket, plus, type this, and again, select this same column, and this time you put equals to bananas. Close the bracket, comma, and next, select these columns where the quantity is, comma, select the column where the price per unit is, close bracket, and hit enter. So This will multiply and only sum the rows that meet your condition of apples and bananas. So when it's apple and bananas, it will sum these two columns, which is $30. 30 plus 50 is, sorry, 30 plus 20 is $50. All right, that's it for sum product. Sum product lets you multiply values across rows, all right, across the rows, and then sum them all up, but they do it in one step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the HR Diary channel so that you will get notified whenever we upload new videos. See you next time.